Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send stickers to your friends on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's open the WhatsApp application. So here I have, let me tap to open it, and you need to come to this chat section and just open the contact that you want to send stickers to. Okay, so I want to send a sticker to this guy. Okay, and you need to tap on this emoji icon. And guys, here you can see we have this emoji and the GIF section only. There is no any stickers over here, this section. If you don't see the sticker section over here, you need to update your WhatsApp. Okay, so you need to go to the Play Store. Let me tap on this Play Store app, and in the search box you need to type this WhatsApp Messenger. Here we have, and guys, you need to update your WhatsApp. Okay, so let me tap on this update button. As you can see, it's downloading the update and it's installing. So our WhatsApp is now updated. Okay, so let's go to the WhatsApp. Okay, so here I have, let me tap to open it and just tap on the contact. Okay, and just tap on the emoji icon over here. And guys, here you can see we have the new icon, that is the stickers icon. Okay, so we want to send stickers, so you need to tap on this stickers icon. Okay, so you can see that you haven't sent any stickers yet. No problem, you need to scroll through over here. You need to tap on this sticker icon, and you can see so many stickers over here. You can just tap on this. As you can see, it's now sent. Okay, and also guys, here we have the plus icon. If I tap on that, you can see all stickers. You can Merry and Bright, Salty, Como, you can download by tapping over here. Suppose if I want to download this Merry and Bright, so let me tap on this download link. As you can see, it's downloading and it's now downloaded. Let's try the Como one. Let me tap on the download link. Okay, and you can find so many stickers over here. You can download that. Okay, so here we just downloaded these stickers. Okay, and if you want to send, suppose this sticker, you just need to tap on that. You can see it's now sent. So let me show you guys. I sent to sticker to this guy, so you can see we can see over here these stickers. Okay guys, so in this way you can easily send stickers to your friend on WhatsApp. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.